This South Pole little adventure. It is super cold out here. All right, we're gonna be heading outside. To what they call the end of the world. So as you can see, there's a ton of snow here. These big mountains have blown in over the winter. We're going to be heading pretty much grid south and going basically to the end of the operation zone here at the South Pole. There's nothing past the point that we're going to get to. So I'm just waiting for a buddy who's going to come with me, and hopefully this camera will last and record all the way there. So there's tons of snow here. Still got our red lights on. So hope you guys have fun coming with me on this South Pole little adventure here at the bottom of the world, going to the end of the world. Should be fun. It'll take us about 15 minutes to walk out there. I'll try to record a little bit on the way, but definitely want to try to keep the camera as warm as possible for when we get to the end. It's actually a little bit hazy right now. It was much clearer earlier. Some blowing snows come in, but nonetheless, we'll get you out there and show you what it looks like when there's nothing around for hundreds of miles in Antarctica. All right, we're doing it. It is absolutely gorgeous. A little bit windy, but there's the station. Here's all this snow I was talking about. There's a power plant exhaust. That's my man Richard right there. Sun's coming up. What's up? I know. Those are all gonna get cleared out. All these snow drifts that have come in. All right. It's about minus 65 right now. Minus 65 and wind chills in the minus 100s. So off to our walk. And the sun will come up in exactly 1 week on 21 September. Today is the 14th. So I hope you can hear me. The wind is coming straight that way, 16 knots, about 19, 20 miles an hour. It is super cold out here. You can see the wind blowing the snow across the plateau here. The station where we came from, you can barely see it over there. It's absolutely incredible. And we're headed right over there to the end of the world here at South Pole. Absolutely beautiful. Filming is so difficult here. You walk out with a GoPro, it dies after 15 minutes. I mean, just look at Richard's face here. I mean, look at me. But this is it, guys. This is really the end of the world. There's nothing else out here for miles and miles and miles. It is just sunrise, and that's it. I mean, the ground I'm walking on, if I kept going straight, there's nothing out here for hundreds and hundreds of miles. This is pretty much grid south, this direction we're walking. And there's the sun coming up. It is absolutely gorgeous. Here it is, the South Pole, September 14th, 2023. End of the world. Absolutely incredible to be out here and to get to experience and see a place like this. All right. Before we start our walk back. What's up, Richard? We made it all the way to the end of the world. I mean, this drop off here was much higher because they dump, the heavy equipment operators dump all the snow in the summer off this edge here that they clear out from the operation zone, so that in the beginning of this video, that big mound that we showed you that we walked through, that will get dumped over here somewhere. But that's it. Nothing in that direction. Absolutely incredible. My GoPro already froze, so now I'm filming with the iPhone.